Guess what? The nice weather is finally here, at least where I live. So it's time to jump into some cold and healthier desserts. Today, we take it to the freezer, make some super easy peanut butter Greek yogurt chocolates. Not only are these packed with flavor, but you only need 6 ingredients to make them that you probably already have on hand. So let's just jump right into it. First, take out a blender or food processor, then add into it 1 peeled banana. And don't forget, the easiest way to peel a banana is just by squeezing together the end of it. Just a little random tip. Follow that with 3 tablespoons pasteurized liquid egg whites, 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 scoops of this delicious lean body chocolate peanut butter, MRP, or other complementing flavors, which you can check out below, 1 container of Greek yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Blend or process those together until smooth. Take out some chocolate molds, muffin tin, or whatever you have that can go in the freezer, and distribute your mix into it. Once you've distributed all of your mix, throw them in the freezer for a couple hours, and you're good to go.